20th April 2025. In a quiet village, a dream took flight. TechTurf is presenting the Mark V rocket, a compact, experimental launch vehicle powered by solid fuel. Designed with onboard sensors like DHT-11, MQ-135, MPU-6050, and an SD card logger. For real-time atmospheric data. Though the launch faced challenges, it was a bold step forward in student-led aerospace innovation.
The Mark V rocket faced structural failure during launch due to intense thrust and heat. The body couldn't withstand the pressure, causing it to break mid-ascent. Despite the failure, avionics and sensors worked as expected, giving us valuable data. To build the next version stronger and smarter master, that is our new rocket named as Rockbreaker version 0.1. At last. This wasn't our failure, it was our greatest lesson. Every crack, every fall, every flamme tuctuait sau tout va étranger. Mark V didn't fail us, it trained us for greatness. TechTurf is just getting started.